Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions, and I thank you for your time. I want to introduce you to a new learning resource that I'm offering called the Help Youth Thrive audio podcast. This audio podcast would teach you how to build successful youth development programs that help youth thrive in your community. I am adding audio podcasts to the learning resources that I offer nonprofit professionals or people who aspire to be nonprofit professionals. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I understand that a lot of nonprofit professionals do not have the time to complete the boot camps, the master classes, and other comprehensive courses that I offer. So I've decided to create audio podcasts that allow you to listen to me explain the steps required to achieve a certain goal. And in this case, the steps required to build a successful youth development program in your community. So the Help Youth Thrive audio podcast includes 25 episodes. And the episodes are tutorials in which I guide you through the steps of building a successful youth development program in your community that is proactive and holistic. The fee to purchase the audio podcast is only $50. And I use the word purchase intentionally because you're not subscribing. You will be buying the podcast. It will belong to you. So you don't have to worry about recurring subscriber fees each month. Once you pay your $50, every episode, all 25 episodes, belong to you. So I highly recommend that you create some type of online library for you to store the episodes for future reference. Again, each episode will be sent to your email address each morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the episodes will be sent in the order in which you should build your youth development program. For example, episode one would talk about the process to validating the issues that youth face in your community that are detrimental to their success. So that would be episode number one. And then I will go on through the episodes up to 25 in the correct sequence that you should use to build your youth development program. Again, the audio podcasts are intended for you to just listen. You don't have to read anything. You don't have to watch any videos. You don't have to complete homework assignments, knowledge checks, projects. You don't have to meet with me one on one. All of those things are required for the master class that I teach regarding this subject. But with the audio podcast, all you have to do is just listen. And the episodes are less than 15 minutes. They're short episodes because I get right to the point in each episode. All facts, no fluff. All facts, no fluff in the episodes so that you can get the information you need. Now, I have experience in this venture, if you will. In 2008, God blessed me with a vision to start the Emerging Leaders Mentorship Program for Black male youth. And we were fortunate enough to operate the program for 5 years. And we were very successful. It was a very successful program. And in the audio podcast, I'm going to intertwine and share a little bit of those experiences so you can see what can happen when you follow the steps that I'm sharing and when you don't follow the steps, because I made a lot of mistakes because I didn't have a blueprint like I'm trying to provide for you. So I'm going to share some experiences for my own personal experiences as the founder and executive director of the Emerging Leaders Mentorship Program for Black male youth, along with sharing the steps that you can follow to build your own youth development program to meet the needs of the youth in your community. So go ahead, give it a try. $50, 25 episodes. That means each episode is only $2. And they are way more valuable than that. But I wanted to make the fee reasonable and affordable for people who have at their heart or in their heart the desire to help youth in their community. So I wanted to provide an excellent and affordable resource for you based on my own personal experience, based on what I've learned through formalized training, and based on what I've observed in other organizations. We need you. Our youth need you. Because one thing that I've learned by operating the Emerging Leaders Mentorship Program for Black male youth with my colleagues is that youth want guidance. We think they don't, but they really do. They want to be disciplined, not in a harsh way, but they want to be corrected. I guess is the best way to say that. They want to be corrected because they know that people care about them. And when you set expectations combined with encouragement, their lives can be transformed. I've seen it with my own eyes. So go ahead and invest in the Help Youth Thrive audio podcast so you can receive one episode each morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time in your email. I promise you that you will learn something from this experience. I promise you that you'll be able to use these steps as your blueprint to building a youth development program in your community successfully. But if you don't, if at the end of the 25 episodes you say, I didn't learn a thing and I want my money back, no worries. I will give your $50 back immediately. No questions asked. Money back guarantee. I promise. Again, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time, and I hope you decide to purchase the audio podcast. Have a great day.